All right, here's the start line. Take off from there. You're gonna come through this gate here.
2, 1.
Ride or die.
Then you're gonna go around here. You're gonna shoot up through the yellow gate and then come back around through the red gate. And then you're gonna go through here, come around, out through here, back through. Make a U-turn. Shoot all the way over here to the cube. You're gonna go through the cube, come out, come around, and then back through. And then gonna hit the newbie drone gates 1, 2. And then it's kind of, let me get a view here, so it's kind of a offset chicane. So you're gonna go through 1, 2, 3. Come around the corner, hit these 3 newbie drone gates, come out, go up through here, and then come up through here, and then shoot up through here, through there, through this one. Sorry. And then boom, through the gate, all lit up tunnel, and then back to the start finish. Think about that.
Because it's got the 2 side ground pads, you can put it.
That's gonna be a lot of fun.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into